Hey guys, welcome back. There's the tent. Unfortunately I didn't get a chance to video it going up last night, but there's plenty of videos on YouTube to show you, and it's literally 12 to 15 minutes and the tent's up. We're now in Bodensee. It's just about to rain and I'm going to go out for a ride. So, Bodensee is the area for Lake Konstanz. We have a lot of lakeside, coastside to see. So you're going to see a lot of the roads are flowing, they're not so much windy, but they are good fun, and it's a beautiful part of the country to come in and see. So if you do get a chance to come down to Lake Konstanz, do so, because it is an awesome place. You have France at one end of the lake, Bavaria, Germany, and then Austria, and then right at the other end you have Switzerland. So that's pretty good. You got 4 countries sharing the coastline for this, and it's all good. Now this area is very large on fruit growing, so the trees that you see there, believe it or not, are some of the best pear trees you'll ever get. They are amazing. We're going to do Konstanz tomorrow, so this is just a run along some of the roads further along this part of the coastline, and back into certain nice little marinas where we'll stop and have a coffee. It's all good fun. Tonight we are going to be cooking steak, eggs on an open fire pit, so that will be in. And then other things you got to look forward to is when we do leave from here. I didn't video it on the way in because I wasn't certain whether it was going to come, but on the way back there is a ferry ride, so to get across there it's a ferry. Otherwise you can go all the way around, it just takes a hell of a lot longer. More fruit vines and trees and all sorts of different things. In the summer it's absolutely heaving with fruit. Now I was hoping the weather was going to be really good, but unfortunately it's turned out to be really shit. Well, no, it's not. It's going to rain the 4 days I'm here. But hey, it could be worse. Motorcycle on the way out. Time to hunt. So, just like the rest of Bavaria, it has, in between the towns, lovely little fast sections of road, and you cannot complain because they are good. Island Coup, which we'll stop and have a look at later on the way back. Don't know what you are, Mr. Biker, but you can run, but you cannot escape. Oh, we have somebody showing off, doing no hands. How clever. We've all done it, and if, like me, you manage to hit a pothole when you're doing it, you have absolutely zero control of the bike and you end up having a wonderful big crash. Damn good fun, huh? So when in doubt, one hand on the handlebar always. Now he's gone, I can slow down and enjoy the ride and show you around. Bodensea appears to be quite a thriving little area. Lots of fruit trees, lots of trees, and lots of holiday homes, unfortunately, which ruins it for everybody. And we have a cat crossing the road. He's playing chicken, and guess what? The cat won. Sorry, couldn't resist that. As you know, I'm not a fan of Volkswagen, so I absolutely refuse to be led by one. So this again isn't an area of Konstanz. I'm not quite certain what this is, but we're going to go down and have a look at the marina, maybe grab a coffee and have a look at the lake, which I think is not a bad idea. Is there a place I can grab some coffee? Of course there is. Yeah, so I can turn around. Absolute. So I will turn around and then go and grab a coffee. Where can I park? Don't know where you're allowed to park. Well, okay. There seems to be a little bike bit here, so I will park it here. This will do for me. So we're going to have a look at the area first and then come back for coffee afterwards. So this is Lake Konstanz, and this is only a small part, because it goes for about 20 kilometers, 40 kilometers that way, and about 40 odd kilometers that way. So in the distance down there, that is Switzerland, and you can't see it because that little peninsula is in the way. But if I was, and I'll do this later, we'll walk down onto the pier at the campsite, and then I can show you all the way to the other end of the lake, which is France. And then over there you have Austria. So that's the 4 countries. Right, back later guys, because I'm going for coffee. Bye.